We're back. I need to get a lift, but first order of business, get some food. I had an egg and some fucking coffee. The last time, or in the morning, like this morning, I filmed a video, but I low-key said a word I probably shouldn't have. So I didn't upload it. But I'm hungry now. Fucking starving, lad. Fucking starving. So we're gonna fucking make some coffee while it's not enough water. While I fucking learn how to fucking make chicken thighs. That's an important skill to have. All I know is to slap it on the fucking stove for 6 to 8 minutes per side and then call it a fucking day, bro. But I don't want to like overcook it. But I don't really give a fuck if I overcook it, to be honest, because like I'm gonna eat it regardless. I just don't want to undercook it. The last time I cooked chicken thighs was, I don't know, never. First time, I think. Because like my cooking experience is with my mom, and she does a lot of, like, I just do the prep, you know? So I can, and these are boneless, skinless, so there's no prep. It's like just fucking chicken. So I need a knife, first of all. Where the fuck are the knives? Alright, there we go. Like, I know how to cook. Like, don't be, oh, this guy's 18 years old and doesn't know how to cook. Like, bro, cooking is not the hard part. Like, you just slap it on the fucking pan. Like, for the shit I'm doing. Like, actual cooking, yeah, like, it takes a fucking skill. But, like, the shit I'm doing, bro, this bitch does not take any skill whatsoever, bro. Alright, let me, how many things are, what are the macros for this? I'm actually curious. Shouldn't have opened this before, actually. 130, what is a serving? 4 ounces? How many servings are in here? It's varied. Okay, I don't know what 4 ounces is, to be honest, but. Boneless, skinless thighs. I'm gonna say 2 of those is good enough. The juicy one. 2 of those should be good. I got some lettuce, but I don't know if I want it. I think I'll have some. Oh wait, I got sourdough bread I might just eat for later. Yeah, now to cook this bitch. I know it's like medium high heat. What is high heat on this fucking stove? Alright. Let's fucking cook this fucking piece of meat. Might need to get the fan on. It's around 20 calories worth of spray right there. This bitch lies, bro. 0 calories, never 0, bro. Never trust that. Also, let me take out my coffee. Thing is, I can't have coffee on like a complete empty stomach or I'll absolutely shit my brains out. But if I have it with like something, it's like okay. And obviously it's gotta be black coffee because I'm not a fucking bitch. Alright, let's get some pepper. How many calories are in pepper? Probably 0. Or garlic, 2 calories. Garlic pepper. Crushed red pepper. Look, what do I want, bro? First of all, we'll season it here, but I feel like black pepper is the way to go. Don't mind how I open that. I'm gonna avoid the salt. Because again, my foot is a fucking balloon. And I don't really care about taste too much, but you know, it's sort of needed, I'd say. Alright, well, I don't really care about anything else, so I'll just throw these bitches on the pan, call it a day. First time cooking, like ever. Alright, let's get the fan on low. You probably can't hear me, but wait, I need a plate. Okay, 6 to 8 minutes. So it's 44. We'll go to 52. All right. Spatula, get pressed down on these things, and you never touch them. Oh wait, I've never tried sourdough bread before, but I got it yesterday. I'm gonna try it today for pre-workout carbs. And also, let's open this bitch. Hold on. How much sodium is in here? A lot. Frank's Red Hot sauce with gas. Then I got this random bullshit sauce. Honey buffalo. I'm so hungry, guys. I feel so like tired right now. Somebody get me through this nightmare. I can't. That's hot. Whoa, that's hot. What the fuck? Okay, wait. There's only like 2 things I can actually cook. That's egg fried rice or any sort of fried rice. It's the easiest shit in the world. Like, I'm gonna be totally honest. And then like I don't know if you can call this one cooking, because I'm just throwing bullshit on a fucking pan. Like, I don't know if it can be classified as cooking, but it's something. Something for sure. Fucking hot, bro. Actually burning. Alright, well, I want to scroll on Reels while this father can cook chicken cooks, but I don't want to like change the editing. Some shit, so guess you're gonna wait with me. I've never had Frank's Red Hot sauce before. I've only seen positive reviews. High sodium, or not really high sodium. It's like, well, what is a tablespoon or a teaspoon? How much of Frank's Red Hot sauce is a teaspoon? I don't know what the fuck a teaspoon is, but it sounds tiny. So, alright, let's check up on the chicken. Oh, it's looking good. It's looking good, guys. Alright, and I know like the hack is like you don't want to like. So the issue is you don't want the skin to burn when the chicken itself isn't cooked. And I think that's what I'm doing. So let me turn down the heat. Because I don't want to have like disgustingly outside fucking chicken. That's fucking pink. You know what I mean? How many minutes has it been? Like 4. I'm so hungry. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I can't wait to eat. But the issue is when I'm recording these videos, like I can't doom scroll while eating or just watch like YouTube. It's also fucking hot right now. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh. I'm actually lightheaded, dude. What the fuck? I'm so hungry right now. Just want to eat and get home, eat and go to the gym. Fall asleep, take a fucking nap. I woke up at 2 a.m. to take a fucking shit. And I couldn't sleep after 2 a.m. Like I kept trying to go back to bed. Just didn't work. So I think that means I like re-fucked up my sleep schedule. But like I got like some sleep, but like I just didn't get enough. And now I'm tired. I woke up like at 2 a.m. like on my own. Like I didn't have an alarm or it's not like somebody woke me up. I just dead ass just woke up. That shit was not it, bro. So once I cook this fucking chicken, we'll be able to do some fucking bullshit with it. Wait like an extra 2 minutes. Let's see how this chicken's looking. Not bad, actually. Is this one burnt? I can't tell. Well, now we're good, bro. We're Gucci. Gucci Mushi. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video and go think about my life while I wait for this fucking thing to wait. Alright, quick update. I just fucking flipped the chicken. Gotta wait another 8 minutes, but I want to show you the sourdough bread I got. It looks gas. I've never had sourdough bread. I'm pretty sure it's like fermented, but I heard it's really good for you though. It's like good for your gut. And I need some carbs. It's like high calories though, but it's like, I'm gonna be honest, bro. I'm not eating like junk food, so I don't really give a fuck about calories. Like you're not gonna overeat on fucking chicken, bro. So one slice of sourdough's fucking perfectly fine, bro. It doesn't smell like anything, to be honest, but it seems really good. Heard it's good for your gut. I also need to search for sugar-free maple syrup. I want to put that on my food. Here's the slop bowl combo I'm going to show tomorrow once I get this fucking maple syrup. You guys will not believe the hack of the century. Stay tuned for that, guys. Stay tuned for that, because that bitch will get you rolling. Also, I don't have any butter basting techniques. I'm not going to waste calories on this bitch. But let me tell you, this shit right here, this will take you places, you know? This is 0 calories, but, you know, Frank's, like, how many calories can hot sauce really be? Like 4? Like, this shit will take you places, bro. Like, I'm gonna be totally honest. So once this fucking bullshit cooks, I'll be eating this shit. It doesn't even look bad. Like, I'll show a picture of it. It looks pretty good, actually. It just needs to cook through. So we're gonna let that happen. Let it happen. All right. Wait. All right, there we go. I had to make sure my phone is on Do Not Disturb. I got a scare for a second because if someone calls me, it takes over the whole phone and just restarts the video. It does that. I also need to find a stand for my cooking thing. 1 second. All right, chicken is probably done. I don't fucking know, nor do I care. Just get this bitch over with. Fucking starving, dude. Gotta get some fucking lean meats in this bitch. Some fucking sourdough bread, baby. Thing is with sourdough bread is, first of all, I've never tried it, so it could be just the best thing in the world. But it's like 120 calories per slice, which I'm okay with as long as it like helps. But you know, they better be damn good, bro. Let's get this fucking. Let's get a middle slice. Smells like bread. I don't know how to describe it. It's bread. But like, who cares, bro? Like, it kind of sounds pretty good. I don't know if it tastes good, but it seems like it tastes good. It looks fucking great. So there we go. Some of y'all are gonna ask me, do you baste your chicken in butter and garlic and thyme, and you make sure it's juicy, and you put a thing over it to make sure the juice stays in the chicken? No. Look at me, bro. Think I can afford juice and chicken? Look what the fuck I'm eating right now. It's not even bad. Alright, let's try this shit first. It is pretty good. Don't get me wrong. Interesting aftertaste, but alright. God damn, that's hot. That's so hot. Also, stay hydrated, boys. Water. Dude, it's not even terrible. Not even bad. Alright, let's try it with this. Oh, that smells fucking putrid. Now, I have a pretty high spice tolerance, so this is cayenne pepper. Should have got paper towel, whatever. It's not even terrible. Like, the sauce itself isn't like spicy, so like, it's not like, oh my god, but definitely helps. This shit drier than a motherfucker. Not really, but like, I made a paper towel. High test meal. I kind of like sourdough bread. It's the best bread I've had. From a plain standalone bread, yeah. Like, I fuck with this one, this bread heavy. Alright, let's try the other chicken breast. I don't know if it's cooked. It looks cooked. So we'll see. Yo, I fuck with Frank's Red Hot. Shit was so gas on the other one, on the other piece. Just pour the whole fucking bottle on this shit. Don't even taste the chicken. I think I did a pretty good job with the chicken today. Like, this is no merit, like no, like, oh my god. This was like there's no marinade. I don't know. Tastes pretty good. Man, I think it tastes good when you drench it in sauce, but this shit's 0 calories. Problem with the video, I can't doom scroll while I eat this, so just talking to you guys. I mean, it's chicken, bro. What more are you getting out of chicken, you know? I was scared for this piece. I didn't think this would cook, but the thicker one cooked, so I'm assuming this one did as well. Yeah, it did. Because there was like an open spot that just did not, when I flipped that, I didn't see it, so I flipped it late, but it cooked. Like, the amount of sauce I pour in it, you're adding calories to this. Like, first of all, you're small. And secondly, bro, this shit's like 5 calories. Like, what are the ingredients in this? Peppers, vinegar, and garlic powder. Bro, garlic powder is like 2 calories, dude. It's like nothing. And it's cooked. I don't even mind this, bro. It's food. Like, it'll get me through. It'll work out. Thank God for Lidl, bro. Like, Aldi's, like, sister. Bro, we got like a shit ton of groceries. We spent $14 on maple syrup, and that shit was still $73, bro. People want to talk about, oh, give me I want the organic chicken, the pasture-raised eggs, the free range. No, bro. Give me the steroid-ingested, fucking thick-ass, muscular chicken, bro. Give me that shit. Like, I don't want no rich chicken, bro. I want the poor, poverty, hoodlum chickens that had to suffer. They taste the best. Don't talk about, oh, it's not good for the chickens. I agree with that. It's not. It's also going to me, so who, you know? Like, it's whatever. And these bitches cheap too, bro. Thank you, Frank's Red Hot Sauce, for carrying me. Chicken was cooked well. Now you take the bread, scoop it along. You wanna know how you stay full after a meal, even if you're still hungry? Take agua, pop the bottle open, chug that bitch. Also, I'd recommend drinking a lot of water if you have like acne and stuff. It cleared up mine. The more hydrated I became, like the more clear my skin was. And my skin isn't like a crazy clean. Like I just put face wash, like soap, and like face cream. But what truly helps is your diet. Like if you don't lock in, like the last 2 weeks I was in Hawaii, I didn't lock in at all. So you can see it on you saw it on my face. Like it was like more puffy, acne. I mean, my face is puffy today, but I look fatter than I am right now because my sleep was broken. So I woke up just fucking inflated as fuck. I'm just high pissing me off right now, like, because I know this shit is not normal. Because yesterday I woke up looking normal, but today, since my sleep was fucking cooked, my face puffed up more than I wanted it to. So also, I get dead ass drink. This shit was good as fuck too. Like, oh my god, thank you, Frank. All right, well that's all I have. I'll probably hit the gym at some point. Probably work out or some shit. I think I have chest today, so probably do that. Then go find some sugar-free maple syrup. Call it a day. Peace, boys. Have a good one.